Ito po muli po ang PSB Go table lagi ng mga sikat PSB Go Paso Break. Sabi po tayo second go between Austin clad in yellow in Lakers motif versus Team Lucky Fellas black and USA motif po yan. Yan ha, second green po tayo, pumanga po ha. Ito po ang PSB Go Paso Break, liga naman sikat. And standby po tayo for the next game between Lucky Fellas and Team Austin. Thank you po. Okay, second game for the night between Austin clad in yellow Lakers motif versus of course Team Lucky Fellas clad in black and gold USA team motif po yan. Ito po ang liga na masikat PSB Go Basketball League. And before we go, we'd like to thank the following sponsors. Okay, PSB Go would like to thank the following sponsors. Yeah. And now, for the second game for tonight, between Lucky Fellas, Kusina, Lucky Fellas in black and gold combination versus Austin, clad in white and purple combination, Lakers motif. Ito po ang liga na masikat, PSB Go Basketball League. And ongoing po tayo ngayon sa second game between Lucky Fellas and Team Austin. Medyo malalim yung Team Team Austin ha. Marami-rami ha. Okay, first quarter, yan po si Yanson, si number 0, si number 16, number 29, and number 25. Para pa sa Team Austin, para pa sa Team Kusina, Lucky Fellas, si 77, si number 12, number 28, number 7, and last but not least, si number 16. Para pa sa Team LF Lucky Fellas. First quarter action between Lucky Fellas and Team Austin. Okay. Hop. Nakuha ni Garcilia. Number 29, 2 points. Okay, number 29, 2 points kagad. Nag-boss kagad sila ng ng puntos sa larong ito. Si number 29, De Gracia, Doromal, Capos, Calo to De Gracia, tap to Gracilia. Hop. Okay, wala. Pops up, ayaw niya. Number 16, wala. Good ball. 2 points again, number 25. Yan si Gracilia. Pops up. Nope. Normal. 28. De Gracia, number 7. Normal. Wala. Okay, 2 free throws awarded kay Doromal. This free throws brought with the following sponsors. Nandiyan po ang McDonald's Qatar, ANC Kitchen, Charles Gimetio, and MC Cargo. Doromal, first shot. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready tayo. Doromal, second throw, jumpers ready. Almost stole the ball pero out of bounds. Still Team Austin pa rin. Austin pa rin ang bola. Bakoro, number 29, nope. Ayan, ako na 5. Number 0, 0 for 3. Wala pa rin. Amistad. Nakuha ni number 15. 15. No. One more time. Jackson. Wala. 2 points. Number 0. Number 0, 2 points. Sigado. De Gracia. Kalo. Amistad. Amistad. 2 points. No. Wala. Normal. Malakas. White. Black ball. Black ball. De Gracia. Normal. Pops up. Ayaw. Okay. De Gracia. 2 points. Number 16. May tayo ng bola. The score is 2-6. Naman po Austin ng 4. 2-6. 2-6. Pops up. Wala. 7. Normal. Normal. 2 points. Normal. Normal 2 points. Garcilia. Gado. Power move. No good. Ayun. Number 16. 2 points again. Number 16, 2 points. Normal. Balayalim. De Gracia. Garcilia. Oh! Nako, Gado, 2 points. Gado, 2 points. The score is 4-10. Naman na po ng 6 po ang Team Austin. De Gracia. De Gracia. Oy! Sayang. De Gracia shooting for 2. This print is brought to you by MC Cuisine, Decada Restaurant, Janas Gourmet, and Lux Chloe by MYG Trading. De Gracia, wala. Second throw ni De Gracia.
Second throw ni De Gracia.
Pops up. Pasok. Basket made. Oy! Nice D by Dormal. Dormal. Nice D. Dormal for the inbound to De Gracia. De Gracia. Kalo. No. Oy! Nanulak. Nanulak. Jersey number 16, Mokoro called for the foul. Third team foul po ng Team Austin. Inbound po ang Team Kusina, Lucky Fellas. Pops up, ayaw niya. Pops up nga, palpal. Nakuha ni number 15 ang bola. Nakuha ni De Gracia ang bola. De Gracia, malakas. The selection is a foul called. Number 15 called for the foul. Resurrection 77 shooting for 2. Handog Buena, the following sponsors: Kata Sublimation, Kapeng Barako by Lombar, JPX TV, and Winax Apparel. Okay, basket made po. The score is 6-10. Resurrection, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Thank you guys. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. And basket made. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a nice evening. Okay, again, Gado. Gado may tangan ng bola. Gado, 0. Gado, side step, move kick. Okay, 29. Wala. Nako ni 29. 29 and 1 play. 29, napakatalim ni 29.
Ball is number 16.
Parang slicer sa sobrang talim. Okay, sino po si 29? Yan si Ravago. Ravago shooting for the bonus free throw, 100 point, and the following sponsor. Nandiyan po si Iowa Nation, Akron Plus Qatar, and Luxury by Shanti, and also 3 Chance Barbershop. De Gracia. De Gracia. De Gracia. De Gracia. Hop! Malakas. Gago! Out of bounds. Okay, change pair po tayo yun. Second batch coming up. Sino po yun? Para po sa Kusina Lucky Fella, si number 5 and number 2. Yun ang papapasok sa kanila. Sa kabila naman, nandiyan po si number 6, si number 24, si number 1, si number 28, and number 26. Okay, ito na po tayo. Black ball, Doromal for the inbound. Doromal for the inbound. Nandyan si De Gracia. De Gracia. Ebuesa. Ebuesa. Ragusta. Ragusta. Ayun kay Doromal. Nice one by Doromal. Doromal 2 points. 9-12. Laman lang po lang, tatlo na lang ang Team Austin. Bulawan. Edwilo, number 6. Pops up for 3. No. Number 9 for the rebound. Nandiyan si De Gracia. De Gracia may tangan ng bola. To number 5, Ragusta. Ragusta. Ayun! Walang pinasahan. Sayang. Okay, balik muli po tayo sa larong ito. At 4 minutes for remaining. The score is 9-12. Laman pa rin po ang Team Austin. Rogelio, nakuha niya number 28. Edilio. Edilio, pops up. Ayun, may foul. Foul called. Who's foul? Rep. Number 7, De Gracia called for the foul. Number 6 for the inbound. Edilio, 28. Number 24, Bulawan, running shot. Tumama sa board lang. Number 1, pasok ang bola. Number 1, sino si number 1? Yan si Kime. De Gracia, binapatay ni Bulawan. Ebuesa, binapatay ni Bulawan. De Gracia, against Edilio. Pops up. Wala. Traveling violation called. Number 5 for the inbound. Laman pa rin po ng 5 ang Team Austin over Lucky Fellas. Ragusta. Bishop pass kay De Gracia. Ragusta. Ragusta may tama ang bola and also lost the ball. Lost the ball completely. But last touch po ng number 28 ng Team Austin. Austin still guarding the ball. And Ebuesa resurrection to number 5. Number 5 pops up. Ragusta. Kapos. Number 6 for the rebound. Nakakuha ni number 2. Ebuesa. Nakakuha ni Bulawan ng bola. Bulawan. Bulawan driving. No. Ragusta. Wala. Hugay, nandiyan na rin. Number 20, nandiyan na rin. Up. There. Okay, 26. Running shot. Wala. Foul. It's a foul call. 1 minute 51 remaining. Foul call. Number 26 shooting for 2. And the point and the funny sponsor. Nandiyan po si Luxury by Shanti.
30 round.
Canadian's Barbershop. Sama po natin po Lombar Restaurant and PLBL. Ang liga ng mga alamat dito sa Qatar. PLBL. Borcielo 26. Second shot to Borcielo. Nope. Nakonir, number 5. Number 2. Ebuesa. Ebuesa, may tangan ng bola. Ebuesa. Nako, walang pinasahan. Whoop. Austin. Walang pinasahan. Lumusot kay number 1. Lumusot kay number 1 ang bola. De Gracia. Wala na, out, down. Down.
Number 26, Borsillo.
26. Called for the foul. Penalty situation, Austin. De Gracia shooting for 2. Handog po yan ng Imprint Advertising, Coach Mike Mubet, M23 Restaurant, and HB Kicks. De Gracia, first shot. Pasok. De Gracia, second shot. Jumpers ready. 9-5 ang score. De Gracia, second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Okay. Basket made at 10-15. 28. 24, 28. Number 6. Pops up. Yes, it's pops up. Wala, malakas. De Gracia. De Gracia. De Gracia. 2 points, De Gracia. De Gracia completed the play. Kime. 2 points. Number 1, 2 points. Ragusta. Doromal for 3. Pasok ang bola kay Doromal. Walang kupas pa rin si Doromal. Ayun kay Bulawan ng bola. Pasok kay Bulawan ng bola. The Golden Boy makes it mark. Golden Boy Bulawan. Ragusta. Pops up. 2 points. Ragusta 2 points. Whoop. Ragusta. Malakas. Again. Okay, that's it. First quarter kalas, second quarter coming up. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors.
Suportahan po namin ang France. Bahala. Store.
Ayun.
Sa mga nagulong mo, meron tayo pagkain dyan.
Okay. Ebuesa for the inbound. Ito na po si Ragusta. Ugay.
And to shoot. Ugay, nasaan ka nakas?
14, 2 points. Okay, again, tatlo muli po, lamang muli po ng Team Austin. Ragusta. Ragusta, no. Ayun kay Ugay. Malakas. 2 points. Number 28. Tapos. Pap. Ayun na si Kiambao. Kiambao, nagmamadali. Kiambao. Kiambao, sidestepping. Cross courts. Nakuha ni Ebuesa. Wala na. Masyadong mabilis. Walang preno si Ebuesa. Kailangan ng Preston brake fluid. Wala siyang preno kaya kailangan ng Preston brake fluid. Habana. Kiambao. Pops up. Wala. And out of bounds para sa Dilaw. Symbol daw po. Symbol daw po tayo. Sabi niya, symbol. Okay, parang drawer ah. Sige na. Habana, Kiambao. Kiambao, kick pass kay Rabago. Rabago, papasok. Rabago, 3 points. 7 minutes 53 remaining. 7 minutes 51 remaining. Nice! Kay Rabago. Rabago, nice di po. Kay Rabago. Ayan na. Ugay. Wala. Kiambao. Wala pa rin. Jacob Jake. 2 points. Okay, 2 points again. 2 lang po ang kalamangan muli ng Austin. Team Austin. Dalawa na lang po ang kalamangan nila. Habana. Habana. Wala. Nakuha ni Jacob Jake. Jacob Jake. Jacob Jake. Jacob Jake. Running shot. 2 points. Ragusta again. Intercepted the ball. Number 5. Whoa! What a play by Ragusta. Parang ano, parang Dr. J na nakita ko ah. Kiambao. Oy! Foul called on who's foul? Jersey number 2 called for the foul. Kiambao shooting for 2. Ando po ito po ang sponsor. Nandiyan po ang team HB Kicks, N23, Coach Mike Movement, and Imprenta Advertising. First shot ni Kiambao. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready ni Kiambao. Second throw ni Kiambao, jumpers ready. Wala. Wala pa rin. Hop. Nabuhay. Ugay. Ugay. 2 points Ugay. Ugay. Walang kupa sa Ugay. Habana. Habana. To Kiambao. Kiambao. Sidestepping. Sidestep move. Binali. Wala. Ragusta. Nako, mali ang approach niya. Wrong approach. Good lucky fellas. Parang good lucky fellas po sabi ito. Okay, 2 points again. Laman pa rin po ng isa ang Team LF. Rabago may tangan ng ball at 5 minutes 42 remaining ng second quarter action. Ragusta. Ugay. Wala. Nandun. And one play made. Nice. play by Mr. Calo. Parang namitas na ng bola at pinabusok pa niya. This script is brought to you by, of course, PLBL, Lombard, Lomin Barako, and Three Guns Barbershop. Sampo natin po ang Luxury by Shanty. Calo for the bonus free throw. Don't look now. Baliktad na po ang story po ngayon. 30-27. Lamang na po ang team LF Lucky Fellas. They're lucky indeed. Kaya Lucky Fellas. Okay, si Mr. Habana, may tahan ng bola. Habana, papsak, Rabago, wala. Nice one, pero gusta. Hop! 5 minutes. Palit player po tayo mga boss. Now, Lucky Fellas now in tune already. The score is 33-27 over Austin. Second batch of players coming up. Nandiyo po si Resurrection, si number 13, si number 16. Si De Gracia at sino pa? Si number 4, si Toromal. Sa kabila naman, si 25, si number 6, si number 24, number 16, and number 0, yan si Calo. Si Gado. Oh, Ginebre. Garcilia. Mokoro. Ayun, kay Bulawan. And one play kagad. Nice. And one play ni Bulawan. Handog po yun ang the funding sponsors. JPX TV, Winax Apparel, Iowa Nation, and Aqua Flash Qatar. Okay, Bulawan for the bonus free throw. Pasok. Okay, nakabawi po sila ng Bagya, 33-30. Lamang pa rin po ang Team Lucky Fellas ng 3. At 4 minutes 54 remaining. De Gracia again. Goromal, nagbandali. And it's a foul called. Who's foul rep? Number 16, yellow. Hold for the foul. Again, yung coach po nila mag-inbound. Number 13 for the inbound, De Gracia. Number 13. Ayan kay Goromal. Number 13, De Gracia. Nagmamadali. De Gracia. Pops up, kapos. Amistad. Lost the ball. Resurrection. Good ball. Ginebre, 2 points. Parang gamot, sinubo lang yung bola. Goromal. De Gracia. Hop! Ayun, nakaluwag. Yun, malakas. Okay, don't look now. Lamang muli po ang Team Austin. The Yellow Boys are back in action. Ginebre shooting for 2. Handog po yan ang the funny sponsor. Nandiyan po si JPX TV, Winax Apparel, Kapeng Barako Lombard, and Qatar Sublimation. Ginebre pops up. Nope. Ayun si Bulawan. Pero nagawa ng bola. Naipit. Nakuha. Bulawan. 2 points. Okay, Lucky Fellas go for the timeout. Nice play by Bulawan. And ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Ang liga naman sa Kadisical. We're live always here sa the Pernic Season International Window every Tuesday night. Basketball action. Filling of the following sponsors. And maraming salamat po. Ito po muli po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Lopez, idol, ganyan ko muna. Share lang ako. Iganong-ganong ba lang? Ganyan ko Sige, komenta mo. Sige. Lang.
siya sa mga Regalo sa kita. Hindi ko. Ganda sa ating groups. Goes to number 6. Shout out sa daming magkakaroon. Salamat po. Bigasa. Bigasa. Stopping down. Bigasa shot. Bigasa ball. Goes to number 6. Foul goes to number 13, Santos. Won the ball, right in the guard, to number 16. Foul goes to number 16, that is Bob. Warning for penalty, Lucky Teras. First by Bulawan. Second throw, Renzi Bulawan. Basket led. 33-38, Lucky scored for Bulawan. Santos. Number 39. To the ball. 2 points. Let's go. Number 6. Pegasa. Number 16. Pasok ka rin. Basket na keluar. Apa? Kelawan Persija. Persija. Number 16. To Santos. Back to Santos. Santos! 2 points. 45 seconds. The ball, net 2. Rebound by Bulawan. Perubahan hasil Bigasa. Bigasa ada dari Santos. Santos, sudah berjuang. Berjuang berjuang. Segal. Laki Teras ball. Asal saya berikan. Okay. 27. Santos. 10 to shoot.
Okay, halftime po tayo mga folks. Lamang na lamang po ang team Austin, the Yellow Boys, ha? Lamang po ha. This is your PSBQ Basketball League, ang liga na masikat dito sa Qatar. I would like to thank the following sponsors. Ito po sila. Ayan. Meron pa. And last but not the least, ito po sila. Again, ito po liga na masikat, PSBQ Basketball League. Maraming salamat po and standby po tayo po sa second half. Shoutout po tayo po dyan si Aisong Vlogs, yan ha. Lahat ng top fans po yung tawag niya. And good luck, Lucky Pera, sabi po ni ANC Kitchen. Both teams po yan. Okay, standby po tayo mga boss. Okay, shoutout Europe ako, and also HB Kicks. From Jordan Cerebrons, HB Kicks had it all for you. HB Kicks. Antayin po natin po, meron po siyang end of the year promo, si HB Kicks. Pananala po ng Sabrina sa abot kayang halaga. Hans, baka na Sabrina ngayon. Oh? Talagang ano hot selling ha. Pero dito walang pinibenta rin sa Qatar. Okay, standby po tayo para second half. Peras. Oh, hindi ka manood.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're Mr. And I give it to you, I'm Mr. You function at the naman.
Ito ka palang suki ka. Sugay. Nagpakilala yun sa PSG, sa PN, sa Pinoy Bowlers. PDQ. Okay, isang dati. Sila yung mga kasama abi-abi. Mga abi-abi kapapakaman. Okay.
Good strike, basketball women, M23 Restaurant, HB Kicks, KPX TV, Winak Sakar, Iwan Nation, Amat Las Sakar, Luxury Marishanti, Widax, Sabor, Pinay, Pangalinang Seat, Ikama Restaurant, Lux Gold, Kapit Barako, Matay Separation, and Janas Video. Dr. David,
Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. Bola po ng mga Dilaw, the Austin Boys. Up. Okay, second half na po tayo yun. On the way po ngayon si Edilio for the inbound. Edilio to Kiambao. Kiambao may tangan ng bola. Kiambao. Edilio, Kiambao. Kiambao versus Ugay. Ayun, intercepted. Intercepted. Ito na po siya. Doromal. Ugay. Ragusta. Pops up. Wala. Ayan. Ayun, nice swap. Pero sayang. Okay, third quarter on the way na po tayo ngayon. The score is 41-46. Lamang pa rin ang Team Austin ng 5. Ito na po tayo ngayon. Ito na Kiambao. Kiambao. May tayo ng bola. To number 28. Edilio pops up. Pasok ang bola. 3 points Edilio. De Gracia. Ugay. Ugay pops up. Malakas. Nandun sa Ragusta. Ragusta. 2 points sana. Pero may foul. Okay, lamang na po ng 8 minuto ang Team Austin. Austin takes po si Ragusta. Nandun po yung the following sponsor. Ang sponsor po natin po ay sino po yan? Nandiyan po si HB Kicks, si M23, and Coach Mike Movement. Also, Imprenta Advertising. We turn your dreams or ideas into absolute reality. Ragusta, wala. Ribang Barwon by Kiambao. Kiambao, Edilio. Woy! Hop, kanyang bola, rep. It's black ball. Black ball, sabi po ni referee. Bola po ng mga masiswerteng nila lang. Lucky Pelas. Mga masiswerteng nila lang po yan. Lucky Pelas. Hop! Steal! Ragusta, nice trailing job. Ragusta. Ragusta! Woy! Foul! Yanson called for the foul. Yanson called for the foul.
Number 1. Wagista pass to right. 10 to shoot.
Pops up. Wala. Ugay. De Gracia. Calo. Nice one by Ugay. Ragusta had to shoot it. De Gracia. Foul called. What a lucky break for team. What a lucky break for team Lucky Pelas. Pawala na segundo pero napal pa sila. 14 second shot na Calo power move. Wala. Rebound battle one by number 1. Kiambao. Edilio. Foul called on Mr. Ugay. Ugay called for the foul.
First personal foul, 2 free throw by Edilio.
Edilio, number 28. Edilio, first shot. Wala. Sana. Meron pala.
Basket, first shot.
First shot ni Edilio, pumasok. Second throw, jumpers ready. Lamang na po nawalo po ang Team Austin. Edilio, second throw, jumpers ready. Pasok pareho. Ano ginagawa na itong tao dito? Ano problema na ito? Number 7, De Gracia. Number 5, pops up, ayaw. Ang wala. Number 4, Kembao. Ayun. And one play made. This free throw is brought to you by Luxury by Shanti, 3 John's Barbershop, Qatar Plus, Ako Plus Qatar, and I1 Nation. Wala. Doromal naka-rebound. Doromal, 7 minutes, 16 remaining. Doromal. Ugay, naku! Out of bounds para sa Team Austin. Nag-collapse ang Laki Pelas, nag-collapse. Number 26 to number 20, number 4, number 28, number 4. Oops! Nice one! 2 points. 2 points, number 1 si Kime. De Gracia, wala. De Gracia, 2 points De Gracia. Okay, laman po ng 11 muli po ang Team Austin. Kembao, Edilio. Nice one by number 26. Ragosta for 3. Ayun. Ugay. Fadeaway shot. Pasok. 2 points Ugay. Kembao. Edilio. Pasok ang bola. 3 points. Edilio, 3 points. Hop! Push ball rep. Edilio called for the foul. Ragusa shooting for 2. Handog po yung 20 sponsors. Nandiyo po si I1 Nation, Acrobats Qatar, JPEX TV, and Winax Apparel. Winax Apparel, don't get up from my house without wearing it. That's Winax Apparel. Ragusta. Wala. Rebound number 1. Kembao. Kime. Lost the ball. Ugay. De Gracia, 2 points. De Gracia, 2 points. Oh! Kembao. Nagmamadali. Kembao. Lost the footing. Edilio for 3. 2 points Edilio. 3 points Edilio. 48-63. Blown open na po. Laman na po ng 15 po ang Team Austin. Ragusta, pops up. Pasok. Okay, 51-63. Lamang ng 12. Edilio again. 2 points Edilio. Nice shot by Edilio. 4 minutes, 34 remaining. De Gracia. Pops up. Wala. 26. Nakunugay. Malakas. Lost the ball. Same ball. Yellow ball. Okay, substitution si number 6. Papasok muna para kay number 15. Kay Yanzon. Ginebre for Yanzon. Austin po, inbounding. At 4 minutes 5 remaining. Ginebre. Wala. Number 1. Almost had it.
Ball is number 20. Substitution. Timeout. Lucky Pelas.
Lucky Pelas scope for the timeout. Word from our sponsors. Okay, back to the ball game. Buli po tayo. 2 free throws para kay Kime. First shot. Pasok. Sabrina pala gamit niya. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Both basket made. Don't look now. De Gracia. Yun, nakashoot din. Okay, balik buli-bili sa 14 po, kalamangan po ng Austin. Edilio. Bulawan. Ayun na, number 0. Wala. Number 1, what a rebound. Wala. Palpal. And it's a foul kay Ugay. Sabit si Ugay. Ugay. Hope for the foul. Edilio shooting for 2. Edilio shooting for 2. Handag po yun ng random po natin. Ako po si Qatar, Marlica Cargo, Qatar Sublimation, and 3 John's Barbershop. First shot. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Edilio. Second shot po niya. 3 minutes 15 remaining at 53-68 ang score. Second throw, wala. Nakuha ni Jacob. Nakuha ni Edilio. Hop! Foul again. Black ball pala. Black ball, black ball. Ugay. De Gracia, Ugay. Pops up. Malakas. Ragusta, 2 points. Ragusta, 2 points. Again, 28. Bulawan, Bulawan, Bulawan. Dinukot, wala. Nandun si number 1, pasok. De Gracia for 3. Wala. Gado. Gado, Gado. Gado nagmamadali. Gado. Gado. Whoa! Substitution, balik po ni si Habana, si number 29, para kay Kimi and Edilio. Gado for the inbound. At 2 minutes 27 remaining. Bulawan! No! Oh, it's a foul called. Bulawan called for the foul. Foul si Golden Boy Bulawan. Oh. Okay, shot po dyan kay Mr. Homer Balbin. Penalty situation pala. Calo shooting for 2. Calo shooting for 2 per shot. Pasok. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, no. Nakuha ni Durmal. Wala pa rin. Durmal. Sayang, out of bounds. Two minutes 19 remaining. Bulawan. Bulawan. Rabago. Bulawan. Nope. Bulawan. 23. Pops up. Wala. Ayun. Si number 6. Nice shot by number 6. Ragusta. Pops up. No. Again. Pasa. 26. 29. 29. Nagmamadali. 29. Rabago. Habana. Habana. Nagmamadali. Ayun. Kay Gado. 2 points Gado. Gado 2 points. Number 5, side step away the ball. Number 29, Rabal, Gato, Ginebre, 2 points again. Lead now blown wide open already. 20 points now for Team Austin over Team Lucky Fellas. Ugay, Doromal, Doromal, Ugay, Ugay. Number 5. Ugay, fadeaway shot, 2 points. Nice shot by Ugay. Bulawan, may tangan ng bola to Habana. Habana lost the ball. Durmal, 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 Ugay, Ugay, dish of pass, nakuha ni Bulawan ng bola. Okay, third quarter is finished. The score is 58-76. Lamang po ng 18 po ang Team Austin, the Yellow Boys. Still, lamang pa rin sila. After 3 quarters, Yellow Boys lamang pa rin. Okay, fourth quarter action start. Bola po muli po ng Lucky Fellas, LF. Okay, Doromal for the inbound. Doromal for the inbound. Ayan si Nagusta. Ragusta. Pops up. Nope. Number 3. Gado. Gado sa side. Pasok ang bola. Gado, 2 points. Down. Number 25 called for the foul. Gracilia. De Gracia for the inbound. De Gracia to number 9. Number 5. Number 5, Ragusta. 2 points, Ragusta. The yo-yo shot. 60-78. Doromal. Nakuha. Okay, almost. Ragusta. 2 points, Ragusta. Nice defense. Again, De Gracia. Ugay. 2 points again, Ugay. Okay, don't look na. 14 po. Laman po ng 14 muli po ang Team Austin. Kanina, 2 po yan. Mukhang nagrarally na po ang Team Lucky Fellas. Tignan natin kung sila ay lucky pa rin hanggang ngayon. Okay, 8 minutes 42 remaining. Gado. Rabago. Wala. Number 3. Number 29. 3 points. Nakapawi po kagad po ang Team Austin. De Gracia, hindi na lumabas. De Gracia, one more chance. Ugay. Gado. Doromal. And one play made. And one play made kay Doromal. The score is 66-81. 66-81. Doromal shooting for the bonus free throw. Pops up. Pasok. 67-81. Ayun na. Habana. Gado. Austin. Number 25 to Gado. Side step move. No. Habana. Malakas. Habana, 2 points. Doromal, sa ilalim. Malakas. Doromal, 2 points again. Doromal, 2 points. 69-83. Ayun. Habana. Malakas. Rebound battle won by Austin. Okay, black ball po pala. 69-83. Laman pa rin po ng Austin ng 14. At 7 minutes 12 remaining ng 4th quarter action. Oh, nagkagulo. Game, 77 for the inbound. To De Gracia. Okay, eto na. Shot clock start. Ugay for 3. Wala. Rebound Barrel. 77. Wala pa rin. Oh, traveling violation. Traveling violation called on Rabago. 77 for the inbound. Ugay. De Gracia pops up. Kapos. Out of bounds. 7 minutes remaining. Pops up. Nope. Gado, 2 points. Nice shot by Gado, ha? Gado, dinukot sa ilalim, pasok. De Gracia, palpal, pero may foul. 2 free throws to be awarded para kay De Gracia. Ando po yung the following sponsors. Nandiyan muli po ang McDonald's Qatar, MC Kitchen, Janus Gumetio, and MC Chicago. Sama na po natin po ang the following sponsors also. Nandiyan po si MC Cuisine, Decada Restaurant, and Janus Gumetio again. De Gracia. Ulabas. Abdu Ashiri. Okay, good evening, good morning, sir. De Gracia, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo at 6 minutes 39 remaining. Pops up. Pasok. Number 29 for the inbound. Number 4. 6 minutes 35 remaining. Gado. Gado, number 28. Number 3, pops up. Balangas. Bautista. Ragusta. Ugay. Wala. Foul committed. Malas si Ugay. 2 shots for Mr. Doromal. Andun po yan dito pa ni sponsors. Nandiyo pang kata Sublimation, Lux Chloe, and Kapeng Barako. Sama po natin po ang I1 Nation. Doromal. Pops up. Wala. Doromal, second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Doromal, jumpers ready. Wala pareho. Rebound Barrel. De Gracia. Nice. Nice foul, pero De Gracia will again go to the line. Again, handog po yung defining sponsors. Nandiyo po ang I1 Nation, Ako Pascata, Tigans Barbershop, and Luxury by Shanty. De Gracia. Pasok.
Pasok yan.
Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo.
Second throw by De Gracia.
De Gracia, second throw, jumpers ready. Nope. Rebound di Bulawan.
Bulawan.
6 minutes remaining. Pops up. Wala. Calo for the rebound. Ragusta. De Gracia. Doromal. Oh! Pushing foul on number 29. Penalty situation. Team Austin. Doromal for the line. Ando po yung Lombard, PLBL, Imprint Advertising, and Coach Mike Movement. And Coach Mike Movement. Doromal. Pops up. Pasok. Doromal, second throw, jumpers ready.
Second throw, Doromal.
Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Doromal, second throw. Pasok sana, pero wala, lumabas. 5 minutes 44 remaining. Gambao. Kambao. Kambao. Nagcha-cha-cha. Nawala ang bola. Pinasa muna. 28. Malalim. Wala pa rin. Nako na 7. Ugay. Ugay to number walakas. Number 5. Again. Ugay. Wala naman. Malas. Ginawin pagpal. Ugay. Kalo. Ayun Durmal. Durmal 2 points. Again, error again committed. De Gracia. Wala. Rebound ni Durmal. Durmal. Wala pa rin. Bulawan. Kapos. Ugay for 3. Wala. Ayun. Edilio. And one play made para kay Edilio. Bonus free throw coming up para kay number 28. Lucky Fellas called for the timeout. This is your best Big Basketball League. We're live, always po dito po tayo sa The Pearling Season International School in Doha, and we feature our following sponsors. Maraming salamat po. Okay, Edilio shooting for 2. Edilio shooting for the bonus free throw. Jumpers ready. Wala sana, pero meron. 4 minutes remaining. Labang muli ng 14 na naman ang Team Lucky Fellas. Ang Team Austin Raiders. Kalo. No. Rebound para 1 by Bulawan. Kambao. Edilio. Kambao. 3 minutes remaining. Edilio pops up. What a play by Kambao. De Gracia. Ragusta, foul committed. Penalty situation, Team Austin. Penalty situation at 3 minutes 12 remaining. Ragusta shooting for 2. Ragusta shooting for 2. Pasok. Basket made para kay Ragusta. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. At 3 minutes 12 remaining. Labas. Yanson. Kambao. Nagmamadali si Kambao. Kambao, pasok, 2 points. 2 points Kambao. 2 minutes 47 remaining. Agosta. Dromal sa ilalim, pasok. 2 minutes 27 remaining. Sa wakas tapos ko. Tissue pass. Wala. And yellow ball. Black ball rather. Black ball. LF ball. Lucky Pelas ball. Eto na kay De Gracia. De Gracia. Number 7. What a play by De Gracia. Okay, 2 minutes remaining. Laman po ng 13 ang Team Austin. Kiambao. Kiambao. 5 seconds remaining. Number 6 for 3. Pasok. Dromal 2 points. Dromal 2 points. Okay, nag-time out muna po ang Team Austin. Lamang na po ng 11 na lang ang Team Austin. Okay, back to the ball game muli po tayo. At 1 minutes 9 remaining. Yellow ball po tayo, yellow ball. Laman na po ng 11 ang kalaban ng Team Lucky Pelas. Hop! Black ball.
Lucky Pelas ball. 1 minute and 9 seconds.
A minute and 9 remaining. De Gracia. No. 2 points, Gadano. Gadano, 2 points. Dromal. Dromal again. No. Sayang. Okay, 4-1 remaining. Simple basket na lang po tayo, tansya ko. May pasok pa tayo bukas. Gado. Gado. Habana, for 3. Kapos. De Gracia. Kapos din. That's it. Okay, that's it. Okay, congratulations for winning the ball game. Team Austin final score 81-94. Guys, we would like to thank the following sponsors. Muli po, maraming salamat po sa inyo and see you again po on Tuesday night basketball night action dito lang po sa Pinoy Star Ballers Qatar. Maraming salamat po and thank you. Sir, shoutout sir. Okay, thank you po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo and muli, ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, ito po ang Team Austin, clad in yellow, Lakers motif, winning the game at in a dominant fashion, 81-94 final score. Wala po tayong interview pero picture po na, video po natin yung mga best play of the game na lang. Next week na po tayo mag-interview. Okay, thank you po. Tingnan si Habana. Habana. Parang ano na? Parang sigarilyo na Habana.
Mokoro.
Ah, Mokoro. Ay, sorry. Mokoro pala. Sorry po, sorry po. Mokoro number 16. Next po. Wala mo ng interview mo na ngayon dahil kasi
Side boss.
okay, side daw, yan. Next week lang tayo mag-interview. Janson. Okay, number 29. Siya po pala ang best player of the game. Okay, maraming salamat po and again Team Austin nanalo po yan in a dominating fashion. Yan. And sa last but not least po si number 26. Kabila naman. And Borselgo. Okay, thank you po muli po. And again po, congratulations po for Team Austin for winning the game. Thank you, Sir Idol. Thank you po.